Good morning to all. Grade 6, Subject Maths, Chapter 3, Playing with Numbers. Exercise 3.6. It is a HCF method. HCF means highest common factor. HCF means highest common factor. Its another name is GCD, greatest common divisor. GCD, greatest common divisor. Listen here.
In this motto, at first highest common factor, the HCF of two or more numbers is the greatest number among their common factors. HCF is also called GCD, greatest common divisor. Let us find the HCF of two numbers by using paper cutting method. Let us take two numbers, say 24 and 16. Cut a strip of length 24 units using blue color grid paper. Cut out another strip of length 16 units using pink color grid paper. Place the pink strip along the blue strip as shown and cut the remaining part of the blue strip. Observe that the part of the blue strip that has been cut is of length 8 units. It is smaller than the pink strip, which is of length 16 units. Now, place the smaller cutout strip along with the larger cutout strip and cut out the extra part, pink strip, as shown. Repeat the activity till both the strips, pink and blue, are equal. Therefore, the HCF of two numbers 24 and 16 is 8. Methods of finding HCF: common factor method, prime factor method, division method. Common factor method. In this method, we find all the common factors of the numbers and then find the greatest common factor amongst them. Let us find the HCF of 15 and 45 by common factor method. Find all the factors of 15 and 45 respectively. Now, let us find the common factors. The largest common factors becomes the HCF. Hence, HCF is equal to 15. Prime factor method.
Let us find the HCF of 24 and 44 by prime factorization method. For this, first we express 24 as the product of its prime numbers as shown. In the similar way, we express the number 44 as the product of its prime numbers. Thus, we have 24 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and 44 as 2 into 2 into 11.
Now, we find the common prime factors. HCF is the product of these common prime factors equal to 4. Division method. Steps. Divide the larger number by the smaller one. same process until the remainder is 0. The last divisor is the HCF.
Let us find the HCF of 66 and 110 by division method as shown. Here, the HCF of 66 and 110 is the last divisor, that is 22.
Co-prime numbers. Two numbers which do not have any common factor other than 1 are called co-prime numbers. Their HCF is 1.
Here is an example.
This ice cream vendor co-prime numbers. Two numbers which do not have any common factor other than 1.
Exercise 3.6. First one, find the HCF of the following numbers. Question part A, 18, 48. 18, 48. First, we find the prime factor 18. We solve the prime factorization method. First number 18. Take second table. Prime factorization means even the number we divide the prime numbers only. Even the numbers we divide the prime numbers only. Prime numbers means the numbers divided by 1 and itself. That means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, then etc. Here 18 having, we divide 2, 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18. Next one, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. The number 3 is divisible by only 3. 1 3 is 3. Listen here. Given the number 18, its divided by first prime number is 2. So 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. That means 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Next, our digit is 9. So we take the number 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Next 3 having, again we take 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. The last number is 1. Last number is 1. Our prime factor of 18 is, factors of 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3. Next one, 48. Next one, 48. We take first prime number. Our first prime number is 2. Our first prime number is 2. Listen here. The first digit is 4. Our first digit is 4. First prime number is 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. The next digit is 8. Next is 8. 4 2s are 8. How many 2s are 8? 4 2s are 8. The next one, again 2, because the last is this 4. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. The next is this 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. The last is this 2. So again we take the prime number 2. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 6 is divisible by 2. So take 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Next we take the next prime number 3, because number 3 is not divisible by 2. The number 3 is not divisible by 2. So we take the number 3. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. So our prime factor is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2, 3, 4. 4 2s into 3. And 18 factor is 2 into 3 into 3. You want to highest common factor. You want to highest common factor of 18 and 48. Highest common factor of 18 and 48. Therefore, HCF of 18 and 48 is equal to here 1 2 having, take here also 1 2. So HCF 2 into 3. You also take 1 3. Therefore, HCF is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Listen here. Exercise 3.6. Find the HCF of the following numbers. Our question part is A 18, 48. 18 divided by 2, 9. 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. And then second number is 48. 48 divided by first prime number 2. 48 divided by 2 is equal to 24. 24 then divided by 2 is equal to 12. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Here 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. And then 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Here the common divisor, highest common divisor. First common divisor 2 and then 3. 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. Therefore, HCF is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. HCF of 18 and 48 is equal to 6. The next one, question B, 30, 42. We want HCF, highest common factor. Highest common factor. Question B, 30, 42. First we take the number 30. Our first prime number is 2. 30 divided by 2. The last digit is 0. So we take the number 2. The first digit is 3. So 1 times 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Here 0 having 10. Listen here. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Then 0, 10. So 5 2s are 10. 15 into 2 is equal to 30. 15 into 2 is equal to 30. Next our number is 15. The last digit is 5. 15 is not divisible by 2. So we take the number 3. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Next one 5 is a prime number. So it is divisible by itself. 5 divided by 5, 1. That means 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Therefore 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. Next we take the number 42. 42. The last digit is 2. So we take the first prime number 2. Because the number 42 is divisible by 2. The first digit is 4. So 2 times 2 into 2 is equal to 4. The next digit is 2. 1 times 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. That means 21 into 2 is equal to 42. 21 into 2 is equal to 42. Here last digit is 1. Listen here. The last digit is 1. The whole digit is 21. So it is divisible by only 3. It is divisible by only 3. How many times? 7 times. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Already you know that the number 7 is a prime number. Number 7 is prime. So itself 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. Listen here. 1 into 7 7. 7 into 3 21. 21 into 2 42. So our factor is 2 into 3 into 7. 2 into 3 into 7. So you want to HCF. HCF of 30 and 42. HCF of 30 and 42. Therefore, HCF of 30 and 42 is equal to, the common number is 2. Here also common number is 3. So 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Therefore HCF is equal to 6, or HCF is equal to 6. Next one, C part. Here also we want to highest common factor. Highest common factor. Given the number is 18. The first number is 18. 18. The last digit is 8. So you take the number 2. 2 is a smallest prime number or even prime number. How many times? 9 times. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. The number 9 is not divisible by 2. The number 9 is not divisible by 2. So we go to another prime, 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. The number 3 is a prime. Number 3 is a prime. So it is divided by only itself. Only itself. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Listen here. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. Therefore, 18 is equal to, we can write the factors 2 into 3 into 3. Next we go to the number 60. Last digit is 2, 0. So we take 2. The first digit is 6. So 3 times 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. And 0. 0 into 0, 0. 3 2s are 6. The last digit is 0. So we take the number 2. The first digit is 3. 1 times 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So value is 10. The other value is 10. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 2s are 10. The number 15 is not divisible by 2. So we go to another prime, 3. We go to another prime, 3. 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. The number 5 is a prime. Number 5 is a prime. So itself, divided by itself, 1 times. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 15 into 2 is equal to 30. 30 into 2 is equal to 60. So value is 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. The common number is 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Therefore, HCF of 18 and 60 is equal to common number 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, HCF is equal to 6. The next one, D part, 27, 3. You want to HCF 27, 63. 27 and 63. 27, the last number is 7, so it is divisible by only 3. 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. Again divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. The number 3 is a prime, so it is divided by itself. It is divided by itself. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Listen here. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Next one, 63. Last digit is 3. So take the number 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Then 1 3 is 3. 21. So we take the number 3. 7 times 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Again 7 is a prime. So it is divided by itself. 1 into 7 is equal to 7. Therefore, we can write 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. And then 63 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7. Next one, we want to get here highest common factor of 27 and 63 is equal to the common number 3, 3, again 3, 3. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 3 3s are 9. HCF of 27 and 63 is equal to 9. HCF of 27 and 63 is equal to 9. Next one, E part 36 and 84. Thirty-six and 84. First number is 36. The last digit is 6. So we take the first prime number 2. 1 times 1 into 2. 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Here 6 having. This is 16. 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. Next one, number 18. Again second table, because last digit is 8. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. The number 9 is not divisible by 2. So we go to another prime 3. We go to another prime 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 is a prime, so divided by itself 1. 1 into 3, 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 into 2 is equal to 36. Next we go to 84. We take the second table because last digit is 2. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Next one, 2 2s are 4. Again, take 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. Our number is 21. 21 is not divisible by 3. So we go to not divisible by 2. So we go to another prime 3. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Number 21 is a prime. So it is divided by itself. 1 times 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. 1 into 7, 7. 7 into 3, 21. 21 into 2, 42. 42 into 2, 84. Therefore, 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And the next one, 84. 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Common number is 2. Again 2. Then third one, 3. Therefore, HCF of highest common factor, HCF of 36 and 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. next one, homework part. Listen here. Question number 2. Question number 3. HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. 4 is equal to 2 into 2. Factor of 4 is equal to 2 into 2 and 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Factor of 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct? Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct HCF? Listen here. Our solution is no, because it is not a correct. HCF of 4 and 15 is not equal to 0. HCF of 4 and 15 is not equal to 0 because HCF of 4 and 15 is 1. 4 and 15 is 1. HCF of 4 and 15 is 1. Next one, our homework part is exercise 3.6. Question number 1. F, G, H, I, J. And then question number 2.